like sun on my skin.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so a little explanation as to why this boy is looking like this. The Queen's Golden Jubilee, yes, Jubilee party. The Queen's Golden Jubilee party was today in Asha School, so hence the crown.
And we have the national song.
Sing the national anthem. All right, so that's where we're coming from. This way, darling. We're going home now. How dare you? It's about to be. Well, I'm off today, so we're going to see how today shapes out. By the way, if you're new here, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and remember to click on that bell notification icon. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright? Yes, the wind is getting stronger. Let's go home. So we are going to see you when we get home. Alright guys, so we are at home now. If you could not hear what I was saying earlier, I was just welcoming you to the channel and I said you should please consider subscribing so that you get notified every time I upload a new content. You can also decide to join us on Telegram. We share content relating to healthcare and how to get jobs, whatnot, IELTS, doing up your CV. Everything is on the Telegram group. Alright, so I'm just about to make lunch/dinner. And jollof rice is calling my middle name. All right, so that is what we're going to do because I intend to take the boys out for a walk later. I also purchased something on Facebook Marketplace that has been like the go-to place to buy things ever since we got into the UK. I'll do a video on that separately. All right, so I purchased something on Facebook Marketplace and I will be going to pick it up very soon. So I'll also be taking you out on that walk/pickup delivery, whatever. All right, so that's what we're going to do now. Let's make dinner. So the rest is on the fire now. I'm just going to sit down and edit some videos because there's a backlog of videos on the phone now. That's how somebody will use their money to do Netflix. Subscribe for Netflix. And some people that are not doing anything, they will sit down and everybody is obligated to be watching Boss Baby. Alright, so our rice is done, but we don't have time to eat it. We're on our way now to pick up our Facebook market purchase. Alright, let's go. We're going. We're going. How's the thing with the UK? You open your door, you're on the road.
Are we going to the burger?
Are we going?
To the burger restaurant?
No, Asha, we're going to pick up something. We're out here on the road. I'm trying to coordinate myself and coordinate these children as well. Alright, we're in the area now. We're just looking for the house number. So as we see it. Yeah. Alright. Talk to you after we pick it up. Lalaba one bell. Oh sure. Oh, you know all these people that only deal with cash. I don't know why you cannot send me your bank account because of tax. People like evading tax in this country. Anyway, he didn't sell the item to us. Told us to come back tomorrow with cash. The way people evade tax in this country, eh? Hey Jesus. Because you don't want the bank to deduct tax from something of £15. Some people. Since when? Anyway, we're going back home. Since what we came here to do wasn't successful. We're going back home. I'll see you when we get home. Our jollof rice is finally ready, and I'm going to sit down and eat. Hey guys, this is where we're going to end the vlog. Our outing was not as eventful as I thought it was going to be because of cashless society that me I'm operating in, as people are still like drawing us back. Anyway, that is our lot for today.